One of the biggest little dogs in the world.
Yeah, he is. He's been up for totally everything. We've got today Ranger, Jim. We've got two Nallas, the Golden Retriever and there they go. The Golden Retriever and the German Shepherd are both Nallas. There's Jim. Jim's getting some play in too. There they go. And Asha and Little Red. That's Bella, the red border collie. But I nicknamed her Little Red. Whoa. And then we have down here. Where are you? Hey.
She looked so nice.
Hi there. Hi, Lucy. Stop it. Here's Lucy.